Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make hi-hat rolls in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play. You can get started with the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can make hi-hat rolls using our drums. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and find the drums instrument right here. So we're going to scroll down until we find drums, and now here we can go ahead and click the option to get even more sounds. So click on more sounds. Here you can find what kind of drums you want to play: acoustic, electronic, percussion, and so on. So you have all the drums right here that you can use. So let's go ahead and click on done, and now we can get started with playing our drums. So let's go ahead and open it up. It's going to open up this new recording menu where you can see at the top of the screen we have the recording button, and we can get started playing our drums. So as you can see here, the options, you can go ahead and tap on them and get started recording your preferred versions. Basically guys, if you want to get started with making hi-hat rolls, you're going to use the snare option. So you have all your options right here that you can get started playing and recording. And if you click right here at the top screen at the upper right corner on the edit menu, you can find all the options that you have, such as your track settings, where you can manage your quantization, recording, and so on, and you can use all the effects that you have right here. So basically guys, you want to add some snares and kicks into your drums and make your desired track. After that, go into the mixing mode right here at the upper left corner. In the mixing mode, as you can see, I have my drums right here, and you can get started with adding even more effects with automation and so on to get your desired hi-hat roll. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.